Immediately after that, we have another abstract by Phil Thompson from Australia, and he uses kind of a follow-up study, of course, much shorter follow-up because it's a follow-up study where epcoritamab in the same patient group was combined with either R-CHOP, so the standard treatment for chemoimmunotherapy, or with lenalidomide. And for the R-CHOP treatment, those patients should have been treatment naive. And there it was seen that although what I already told is that epcoritamab by itself has a merit and has efficacy in this very poor prognosis disease, but if you combine it with either R-CHOP at first line or lenalidomide in later lines, that also directly you get better outcome, and it seems to be better if you combine it than with monotherapy, showing that epcoritamab is a very good drug to partner with classical treatments like chemotherapy, but also with an immunomodulator like lenalidomide.